Hey, what's up everybody? Chris McManamy here, back at you with another awesome kick-ass YouTube video. And so over the last few YouTube videos, we've been kind of going through the process of making money online, building your online business with a focus on affiliate marketing. But today, what I want to do is kind of do a little bit more of a deep dive on this concept of low ticket versus high ticket, because I do go through my own trainings and I see a lot of people asking questions and I see a lot of different things in the background, and I'm thinking, you know what, let's go ahead and dig into it, shall we? So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the whiteboard this time. It's okay, I promise. And we're just gonna do we're gonna talk about low ticket first, okay? Low ticket. And what do I mean by low ticket? Basically, low ticket is most of what you guys see in the online space. So these $40 courses, $37 courses, $7 courses, 15-day challenge, 3-day, 4-day, 5-day, 21-day challenges. Very low barrier to entry. And there's nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. I've taken and I've seen a lot of these low ticket courses, and they are extremely valuable. There is a lot of good information in some of these courses. But as Russell Brunson calls it, he calls it the value ladder. And I'm going to put it right in the middle for a reason. So we got boom, boom, boom. But with a low ticket offer, the thing is, let's do free thing here. A lot of times you have your lead magnet, right? You start out with your free thing. Maybe you have like an ebook or some kind of a free video or free something for free. And then you ascend up the value ladder. Very, very, very common thing to do. So like maybe you have a $37 here, $97 here. Maybe here you have, I'm gonna say $997. And then up here, maybe you have $2,500. Just as an example. The thing is, low ticket mostly stays around here. Low ticket is mainly in this region right here, to where it's $100, $200, maybe even $500 or less. It just depends. But generally, if you're only working within this area right here, it's a low barrier to entry, sure, without question, absolutely. It's a very low barrier to entry. In case people are maybe kind of on the fence, or they're just getting started and don't have as many resources as possible. But again, some of that's mindset too. So what you're doing is you're playing in here, and if your goal as an online business owner is get to $10,000 a month, I mean, you could just do simple math. So let's say to get to 10,000, and then you have a product that's $100 as an example. How many of those would you have to sell? You'd have to, what is that, 1,000? Yeah, you'd have to sell like $1,000. Yeah, you'd have to sell quite a bit. So yeah, if my math is correct there, which 100 times 100 is 1,000. Yeah, so 1,000 times 100. Yeah, so that's really what you're looking at there. Is you're going to have to really do a lot of prospecting and get a lot of people into your low ticket product in order to even get to that number. But when you start playing up here, like maybe you go, so instead of going for just a low ticket, you get high ticket as well. And this is high ticket. And this actually goes higher and higher and up. That's high ticket. So high ticket is when you're playing in this higher region. If you can do $1,000 or more and up, then yeah, your track to get to that 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 500,000, it becomes a lot easier at this point. Now, I didn't want to confuse the words easy and simple, because they're two totally different things. But your track to get to 10,000 a month is a lot easier at $1,000 and up, like $6,000, $10,000, whatever. It goes up. So if you focus strictly on this, people will pay more attention when they're in this higher price bracket here. That's fact. That is absolute fact. I've seen it. I've experienced it myself. Because when you're down here, you're like, yeah, it's only $37. It's only $7. It's only $10. Whatever. Maybe whatever. But when you get to here, you're like, all right, I just invested serious money. I'm gonna give this. This has to work. And so not to say that every $5,000 offer is going to be great. Some of them are good, some of them not so good. But people generally, they're able to charge these prices because they command it. It's the law of compensation. Just like if you hire an attorney, whatever the case may be, they're gonna charge you high rates. Or whenever you go, maybe go to a doctor. If you go to not just a doctor, when you go to a specialist. When you go to some kind of specialist like oncology or even a pediatrician or a podiatrist, the specialists, you don't see it because of insurance, but they do charge higher rates than, let's say, a private practice or general practice or whatever the case may be. They're charging those higher rates because they command it because of the specialist type of work. I've seen in a lot of these people spend just the amount of time and money that these high ticket programs are worth. Way more, some of them people put in, time, combined with time and, materials and all that, over $100,000, and you're only getting charged maybe $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6,000 for $100,000 worth of work. And you're probably thinking, that's a lot of money. But if you break it down, it's, if you have like 6% of that, that's this much. So, that's kind of what I was going at here with the high ticket, because normally with the high ticket, what I've seen is you still have a value ladder, but then maybe you have your free thing down here, which I do have. Before I get any further, in the description below, you will find an access to a free training that I am able to provide through my partnership I have with my mentor. So if it's something that you definitely want to get interested in, you can definitely check that out. Links are in the description. It'll be the first couple. And so with a high ticket, it's either what you do is you still have your value ladder, which is totally cool, but then you go you skip this. You skip this. Maybe your first thing is $997, and then your next thing is $2,997, and then $5,997, and $10K, 30, whatever. It just keeps going up and up and up and up. Because then you're getting into the high ticket right here. Because this right here is where you're really gonna start. Your results that you get are gonna be a lot faster. So if you imagine you get a 5,000, you get a commission for, let's say this is like a one-on-one with, a higher authority type of mentor or coach, someone that's been around a long time. They're giving you their time, so they command that compensation to be at that higher rate. So if you do recommend somebody and you do, if somebody does invest and then you get that commission and it's $5,000, 2 of those, boom, you get 2 of those in a month. There's your 10K right there. And then of course at that rate, you can go beyond. You go higher than 10K. You're looking at $100,000. You can do $100,000 a month, $200,000 a month, $500,000 a month. If you do enough of those, then your path to whatever goal, whatever a course of freedom that you're trying to attain, that financial freedom, not having the 9 to 5 where you're trading your time for money, and building your business. That's what it's about here. It's not just about the commission. It's not just what the whole thing's about. You're solving a problem and you're building a business. You're building a real business. So I just kind of wanted to focus in on just the concept of low ticket versus high ticket. And some people are perfectly fine, just looking for something on the side. Maybe they just want to do, low ticket. That's fine with me. I like to play up here. I personally like to play in the high ticket because I've played down here in low ticket in a mix of both. And mixing the low ticket with the high ticket, it's been kind of yeah. And then low ticket, it's been okay. You got $40, big whoop. But playing here in the high ticket is definitely going to get you there a lot faster and a lot quicker. But yeah, you definitely don't want to forget any of the other concepts because they're just as important. Because what you can do is, even with the free offer, you can collect an email address, and then you can still get people into these higher ticket, get them into these higher ticket offers. And then also one other option I've seen is that some people just can't figure out, or maybe they just don't have the aptitude to be able to figure out how to come up with the money, no matter how good your program is. But what you can also do is, if it lines up and it makes sense, you could recommend, you could do a complimentary offer or even split this up. So you can even do like there's like, $97, maybe you got a $97 course, and maybe they can use that to build that basic foundation and then work up to this, because this is the goal that they want. They want this. But, some people maybe just don't have the means at the moment to be able to get, to this, but they can start here. And so you could technically bridge these two and make some people very, very happy and get them on their way to, whatever dream they're after, the financial freedom, the time freedom, which, everybody in this space wants. So with that being said, I do have a few links in the description right there if you want to check out some free trainings to kind of go into even more depth, more depth than what I've done here. And of course, the products that I use to come up with, all of these free, the free trainings, and then the design and all that, and then the suite of software that I use to get this. So with that being said, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can connect with me one-on-one as well. There'll be a link in the description to my messenger, so you can shoot me a message and tell me that you found me on YouTube, because I get bombarded with all kinds of interesting messages. Being in the online space, you put yourself out there, you're going to get things in return. So just let me know that you saw this on YouTube, and we will continue to talk from there if you have any questions. So with that being said, I'm going to cut this video short right now, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. All right, sending all my best to you, Chris.